Hello friends, welcome to our channel. It's me Vivek from Take 101. Today I am going to tell you about how to make a form by using Google Forms. Okay, without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, open your favorite browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome and you have to enter this URL in the search bar forms.google.com. After entering it, press enter. And then you can see the interface like this in your screen. You have to click on start a new form. You can start a new form by pressing on the plus icon. Okay, now this is our form. We have to make some changes here. uh, Let me give the title to my form. I'm going to type uh, domain registration form. Okay, domain. Sorry, domain registration. Domain registration form. Now we have to edit question here. uh, Here is untitled question. I'm going to type first name and we have to change the answer format also. Multiple choice to short answer, and then click on required. First name should be required in the form, and middle name. And it is not required, so we are not going to click on required. Add another question, and last name. The last name is required, so turn this on and add another question. Address. Okay, short answer, and click on required. Add another question and phone number. Phone number. A short answer, and it should be a number. And if somebody enter alphabet in this place, then this message is shown. You can enter only numbers, and add another question. Okay, we have to make it required, so turn it on. Let's move to another question. Question name is domain name. Domain name is is also short answer text and required. Another one. This one is drop down, so I'm going to type choose your plan, and click on drop down for option 1 for 1 year, option 2 for 2 year, 2 year, and option 3 for 5 year. Only 3 options. Add another remarks. Okay, the answer forms to be paragraph. It automatically changes. Okay, after entering the required answer, required question, you have to click on send. You have to click check on collect email addresses, and here in this field you have to enter your email address. If someone fill your form, you can get notification and details in your email. I'm going to enter my email address. You can get a link for your form also. Click here and click on shorten URL, and then click on copy. Okay, and here you have to check in include form in email also, and then click on send. That's all, your form is ready. Okay, let me show you how our form was made. Control V. Okay, this is our domain registration form. Okay, that's all guys, it's easy and simple. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any confusions, you can comment below. Don't forget to share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.